We have Oliver Slope on the line. He's with Blue Line Futures, and he's based in Chicago. Hello, Oliver. Happy Monday to you. Thanks for joining us here. I've been joking about it all morning long that these grain markets can't decide which way they want to go, and now they've decided to go a little bit higher. A little tiny bit. So can you read anything into this or not?
Yeah, I mean, it's not really a joke if it's the truth, right? We're seeing the jockeying back and forth, and I wouldn't be surprised to see that continue. We've got a USDA report tomorrow and some weather forecasts that are starting to kind of keep things interesting, which is right on par with what we typically see this time of year. Looking at last week's commitment to traders report, I think it's going to be a very interesting spring and summer. We've got the funds managed money net long just about 20,000 corn contracts. That's futures and options, which looks like a relatively neutral position, and it is. But if you break it down by the individual longs and the individual shorts, you're looking at about 200,000 longs versus about 180,000 shorts. So one way or another, we're going to get these managed money funds to likely move in one specific direction. A lot of that's going to be hinging on weather, though.
When you look at the new crop months, like December corn here, what are you watching for a trigger point to take some action, either on the bottom side or on the upper resistance side here?
Well, we've been advocating that producers and hedgers take advantage of a lot of the elevated prices that we've seen to start this year. So I think it's important to take advantage and at least establish a floor one way or another. And I think options are a great way to do that. CME Group launched new crop weekly options, which are a great tool. So you're not paying for all that premium out to December. There's weekly options that expire every Friday that can get you through USDA reports or long weekends, et cetera, without paying all that premium. So again, I think options are a great tool this year for producers to look at establishing a floor. And what's great about that is you can remain bullish and still root for the upside, but knowing that you have that downside protected certainly, gives you peace of mind.
I'm glad you brought that up. Just more reason for our viewers and listeners to stay in close touch with their risk management advisor, whoever that may be. Good stuff.